Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're between 13 Mini Cooper, stock number 7257. Surround panel temp 2010 to the March 2016. There's an N47T 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an N47T 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand taillight had sun cracks, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, center console, manual gear shifter, right front window switch, factory single stack stereo, instrument cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel.